trout, you can still find some bones, so you gotta be careful. Dude, this is incredible.
It's fantastic.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from Shiroka, Albania, a small village located on Lake Shkodër, the biggest lake in the Balkans. Right over there, we have Montenegro, border with Montenegro, Albanian Alps, and then over here we have the cultural capital of Albania, Shkodër. From there to here, it's a 10-minute drive, and this is a strip of restaurants, all they got here. Just lots of restaurants, non-stop fish restaurants, and today we're eating at Sunset Restaurant. It's one of the best in the area, and they make incredible fish from the lake and also from the Adriatic Sea, because the Adriatic Sea is literally over the mountains on that side. All right, guys, I'm hungry, I'm ready. Let's go eat some fish and explore the area. Follow me. Andy, love the view, bro.
Thanks, mate. Enjoy it. It's the best you're gonna get for today.
This guy's too much. So we're waiting for our white wine. We have like 3 or 4 plates coming. Yeah. Oh my God, fish. They also have pasta, I saw. So obviously Italian influence. And here we go. Here's the wine. Gazur.
Gazur. That's it.
Let's try this wine. Albanian white wine. Delicious. This is like perfect for this weather.
This, I think it's a Greek salad. Yeah, it's a Greek salad. Definitely it's a Greek salad.
You can tell it's Greek salad because they added the olives. I feel like if it's just, yeah, but sometimes you like Shopska salad in Bulgaria is the same but with no olives, right?
Yeah, but to you might look like a Russian salad, but it's not a Russian salad. It's a Greek salad. But taste it and see if it's Greek or Bulgarian or Albanian. Look how green that is.
This salad with this view, the wine. I'm starving. It's already almost 2 p.m. We waited way too long to have lunch, but it's all good. So fresh. Nice lettuce. And the best thing about everything you eat in Albania is that it's farm to table. Straight up, it's grown in the farm right here. They bring it here. Nice bread cheese.
Is it good? Good, enjoy it.
And this is an Albanian olive. They have loads of olives here. So tasty.
Yeah?
By the lake, have some fish, have some fresh vegetables. Dude, cheers.
Gazur.
Gazur. What a view.
Good view, good wine.
So tomorrow we go straight up in there, right? Just straight up there?
Past these mountains. We're gonna pass them. At least from Shkodër to where it's gonna be around about 89 kilometers. Just driving in the mountains, so it's gonna be fantastic.
And this is bruschetta. Dude, it's amazing. If you guys don't know what this is, it's basically, you know, plain pizza or plain dough, and then they add tomato on top, they add some oil, and it's incredible. Nice cheese. This bread is made like a pizza, wood oven. It's you know, nice and crispy, nice and soft. I love the cheese. The tomato is super fresh. Wow. You know, just slow down with this. Still have a lot of fish. Oh my God, what is that?
That's, you have to get a hammer, Diego, and hit it. I haven't got a clue yet. I'm just trying to figure it out how to open.
So the fish has been baked with salt throughout the whole thing. We have to basically dive in and cut it open. We have 2 different fish plates. We have the one of the trout from the lake in the Tava, and then over here we have the, basically it's an Adriatic Sea fish. I don't know exactly which one it is, but it's baked in salt. So it's salt, and then they crush it open, they break it, and then he cleans it out so you don't get any spines. He slowly cleans it, and then he serves us. So here we go. Salted fish from the Adriatic Sea. Let's try this. I'm sure it's gonna be super salty.
No.
Cool. Good. Oh, I mean, I love the salt level. Not extreme salt, but you do get it. Nice buttery fish. And I don't know what's happening here, but there's like a freaking hornet. Wow. So fresh. As I said before, the Adriatic Sea is literally like 5 kilometers that way. Right there. Fresh fish. Oh, this is bomb fish. Look at this, delicious flesh. Just make sure there's no bones, no spines, right? There you go, a little bit of the bone. Take it apart, another one here. Be careful with this, it's my enemy. I love fish, but I hate the bones. The lake for sure, this is probably trout. And they don't skimp out with how much fish you get. And for 2 people, that fish is perfect. You know, the Greek salad, bruschetta, the fish, I'm already full. This other fish is just excess, but I really gotta try it because obviously that's from the lake. Tomato sauce. Salty.
This is nice and it's not as salty as I thought it would be. So it's great. There you go, this one is for you, Dave. I hope I don't choke to death.
And this is the trout that was cooked in a tava with tomato sauce. I can't wait for this. Oh my God. Literally falling apart in your mouth, buttery, still really hot. Wow, I don't even know what this is. It's like an organ? Trout, you can still find some bones, so you gotta be careful. One of the best trouts ever. Wow, it literally just falls apart. And the heat to it, you know, obviously eat it right when it comes to your table. Don't wait, don't let it get cold. This is incredible.
It's fantastic.
I actually like it a lot more than the salty fish. Freshwater fish is very different than saltwater fish. Just gotta get into those bones though. Uh-oh, lots of them.
No thanks.
You sure?
Yep.
It's a big piece here.
No, you can eat it.
And that's it, my friends. Delicious trout from the lake while you're watching the lake, drinking wine. I love Albania. What a beautiful spot. Give me 5. What a great experience here. Delicious fish, view, the wine. I mean, the whole thing is really relaxing. As you can see, they have 2 different terraces. Upstairs, it's more like a garden terrace. Down here, I think it's way better. There's a few tables right here with umbrellas, and then the view of the lake. So beautiful. You can also sit inside if you want air conditioning. They have a great dining hall with glass all around, so you have beautiful views of the lake as well. Now let's go upstairs, let's go into the kitchen, let's see how they make some fish. So here in the kitchen, they're doing so many different things. They're making fish, but right here, they have the super hot oven. They throw in the tavas. You have fish tavas, meat tavas, cheese tavas. I mean, I can't even be here, it's too hot. Literally, you get here, oh, it's like 500 degrees. We are done with Sunset. Sunset restaurant here in Shiroka. Let's do it, let's rock and roll. Hot, huh?
Too hot.
Albania in summer. It's scorching, but it's worth it.
Especially people here come just for the fish. No one comes here for pizza, no one comes here for meat. Shiroka is known just for fish because of the lake, and that's it.
So you can't go out on the lake on a boat, right? You just come here, you have fish.
You can swim.
Oh, you can swim.
You can swim if you want to. Come here, relax with your familia, have fish, drink something, and enjoy the view and the lake and the fresh air.
And they have a boardwalk. You can see it right here.
Yeah.
Shiroka is a tiny village. I mean, we started at sunset. In 2 minutes, we got to the end of it. That's how small it is. But it's a great place to come with families, relax, enjoy your weekend, have some fish, have some wine. The best restaurant for sure is at Sunset. I think it was the best, also seating. Like you're right next to the lake. The rest of them are like at the top.
It has a beautiful view. It's the best part, I think. It has a beautiful view. You feel like you eating somewhere. Well, you feel like you eating actually on the lake, not instead of the rest which they here, which they have nothing to do with the lake.
So we just crossed the river, and right in front we have the castle, the main fortress. It looks over everything. From there you can see Montenegro, the Alps, the city, rivers. I mean, it is the best place if you want to get a bird's eye view of the city and the surrounding area. And yeah, this is Shkode, right? Shkode, cultural capital of Albania, northern capital, people say that.
But Shkode is quite nice actually. It's not big, it's quite a small city, but it's with everything inside. Basically we have the lake here, we have the sea only 23 miles from Shkodër, Velipoja seaside, and we have the mountains up there which are really famous right now. We have the biggest national park, Tava, which is really famous all over Europe and almost all over the planet, and we have Albania, which is famous too, and Lake Komane. So without coming to Shkodër you can't visit none of these places. They call it siesta, and basically the people like go and home, relax with their families, someone has a nap for a couple hours, and then everybody shoot back out around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening until 12 midnight, 1 depends.
Very Spanish and Italian of them. Siesta time.
Mixed up.
Yeah. And that was Shiroka Sunset Restaurant, the best place to eat fish here in Shkodër. It's only a 10-minute drive right there on the lake. Beautiful views of Montenegro, the Alps, the city. I mean, super epic. I gotta say, the fish was phenomenal. The Tava, the salty fish, wow. But the trout, I gotta say, the trout was, for me, the best. Obviously, the bruschetta, the salad, nice white wine from the house, and the experience. I mean, you go in, family style restaurant, everybody's super friendly. It feels high end, but it's really local. You know, everything is locally sourced, all the vegetables, all the fish. They also have meats if you want to, but obviously you're up here, you're by the lake, you're by the Adriatic Sea, you gotta have fish. And then we came all the way back to Shkodër. We saw it basically dead. It's dead right now. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Shkodër, Albania. Peace.